now. Make sure you keep hold of your loot and turn the wheel in the middle to axe kick to the boot. The faster you spin the wheel, the greater the power. It will make fine warriors out of you. That's it.
Shut your eyes, Dave.
It's alright, I'll spew as well.
You'll
will at the You're that way, I'll go that way.
I'm going that way.
Will the Family Guy with Ipecac.
Like, I'm not very secure done here.
No, you don't need secure done. What? He's green already. Oh, I've been spun about.
So does it literally just go like for 2 minutes and that's it?
Yeah.
And you pay all this money?
Yes. It doesn't cost us that much, it's £16 a month.
Oh, is it?
Come as much as you want. And you get 20% off on Everton, so you get your £16 back. You go to Sea Life Centres and
Oh, so the Sea Life Centre's included, so are you going to go in that?
All the Sea Life Centres, all the Blackpool stuff, I know. No, the pleasure beach, isn't it? No, the pleasure beach, but on me.
Yeah, Merlin. Is it Merlin in the team or something? Yeah.
Right.
20% off at some of your motorway services as well. The welcome break.
Why are you spinning this way?
Why not? Spin it every which way.
Not really doing it, is it?
It's not really spinning. Some of them are really good, some of them are shit.
This is quite a stiff one.
There we go, Dave. You get it.
Hell, Dave. Jesus fuck!
You come it off with me.
I'm going to go fucking camp rolling out. R.I.P. Kaylee, R.I.P.
Ripped in pieces.